Afternoon, guys, and come join me as I take a wander around a strikingly beautiful new listing. This is Villa Gardenia in the Los Garcias community of Arbolea, so literally 3 minutes from Arbolea Centre. Easy walking distance to a very nice and popular bar restaurant. And wow, what a stunning property. So you can see just in front of me there, you've got a gorgeous kind of pergola seating area. This has got extendable awnings, pull down awnings, so it can, you get a slight breeze or whatever, you can protect yourself from that. And that's perched right next door to the pristine 10x5 swimming pool. Apologies if you can just hear the sound of tweet, tweet, tweet. If you think the view's gorgeous from this side, then wait till we get around the other side. Little pan round here, so those double doors there go into a fantastic winter room conservatory, currently providing a second sitting room, but again, that could easily be a lovely dining room if needed. That set of doors there goes straight into the lounge. And you can see the garden is just bristling with colour, but these are all established palms, yuccas, a few fruit trees. There's an irrigation system. So although it's absolutely beautiful, it's really kind of got low maintenance in mind, I suppose. Arched access just over there takes you into a little courtyard where you've got a log store and a separate storage room holding a backup water deposit, but still plenty of room for storage. Now all along the right hand side of the villa from this side of the garden has been presented, laid out, designed just really for kind of relaxing, entertaining. Look at this beautiful seating area here under two gorgeous palm trees. What a lovely little shady nook to come out and read the Kindle. And then you've got a full-size bar, covered dining room, and beyond that there's a cloakroom and another large storage room, so we'll go and take a look in there now. So the double windows there right at the end open into the bar. You can see you've got ceiling fans here, beautifully shaded. Half of it's kind of been closed in, so a beautiful spot, I suppose, for coming out, having friends over for dinner. Cooking section, you know, barbecue area, plancha. And tucked discreetly behind that, an absolutely wonderful bar. You can see you've got electric, you've got water out here. And the serving hatch there kind of opens straight into the dining area. I don't know about you, but I can certainly see myself kind of kicking back and relaxing here, having some friends over, and I think as well it's also geared up for people who've got, you know, family coming over on holidays and stuff. Isn't it nice to be kind of able to entertain everybody and look after them, but using your own garden? Very handy feature. Cloakroom, you know, WC, you can see there, and hand basin, so you got friends in it, no one needs to run into the villa to use the loo. Great big storage room. And then again, another beautiful part of the garden. I don't know, you can see all the walls around here. Privacy is key on this property, and the wonderful views. Peace, quiet, tranquility. But look at this stunning part of the garden. Play area there for when the youngsters come over on holiday. And it's just been beautifully planted. There's an irrigation system in place, you can't see it, so again it just makes tending this a heck of a lot easier. Now you can see privacy wall over on this side here. That takes us out to a concrete driveway and a large double carport, so we'll go and have a look at that in a minute. pan round, I suppose, from this side. That's a bedroom window there. And then front door to the property. You can see it's got quality stone cladding, marble topped all around the entire base of the villa. Newly painted security grills there. And there's another little privacy wall there you see, and that takes us into the kind of courtyard with the log stores and the additional storage room that you saw from the other side. So now looking at the frontage, and you can see how very, very private it is. Opaque double gate access here. It's a small cul-de-sac and no-through road, so you're getting no-through traffic, rarely a pedestrian, and yet you're very close to amenities and the town. Beautiful double carport. Sorry, I paused that a bit abruptly because there was a car just driving down at the end of the street. So there you have the outside space. Let's go and have a look on the inside. I'm excited. So I've just wandered in by the front door into a central hallway, so you're not walking directly into living space. Door on my left there takes you into the master bedroom with a lovely ensuite. And then another door in front of us immediately takes us into the main living area. And a guest bedroom there off to the right. We'll go and look at the living room and kitchen and stuff first. I think that's a nicer way to do it, but wandering in, it's beautifully flowing and, you know, open plan. So very rare, but I think sometimes when you see these open plan properties, they're quite, you know, modern and bland and, yeah, very nice and appeals to a lot of people. But this is open plan, but remain kind of comfortable, homely, newly installed kitchen. Fantastic dining island here with drawers and everything in it. And I think, you know, if you thought the gardens were presented beautifully and no attention to detail had been kind of left overlooked, then the same applies to the interior. I mean, you've got top spec aircon units, ceiling fans throughout, fly screens, of course. Beautiful sized kitchen. I'm loving the kind of Belfast sink. It's got a drinking water system. You might be able to see the little tap there. And then just off to the end of the kitchen, you've got a very, very good size utility room. You can see in there kind of dishwasher, tumble dryer, big washing machine. So having a pan around the main living room, you can see you've got a giant wood burning stove over there, very high quality one in the corner. Those are the doors you saw from the other side leading out to the garden. And then this set of double doors flow beautifully into a conservatory come winter room. I mean, that could provide an additional dining room if wanted, but really you've got the big island there, the outside bar with huge dining table and everything. So I kind of like the way the owners have done it at the moment and just created a beautiful second sitting room. Now this used to be a kind of open porch, and now it's all been kind of closed in, but beautifully done. Loving these kind of beam ceilings. You've got fantastic arched character windows, traditional Andalusian tiling. And as I say, it's just used now as a glorious kind of second sitting room. That's going on into the master bedroom. Again, a ceiling fan out here. Let's look through the arch window. How about that? Absolutely beautiful. And then these set of double doors here going straight out into the garden, poolside. it's just the attention to detail, you know. Look, you've got all pull across curtains here just in case the sun's too high. A fan just in case it gets too hot. And as you saw just inside the main living room there, you've got the great big wood burner, so you can keep it warm and toasty if needed as well. Back out into the entrance hall now. All the bedrooms have got fitted wardrobes, so, and they're good sized doubles. And again, all benefit from air conditioning and ceiling fans. On into the main family bathroom, and the old bath has been ripped out and beautiful modern double shower installed. Sink unit. And then on into the master with another beautiful ensuite bathroom here. Easy walk-in shower. And don't forget, of course, you've got the cloakroom out in the garden as well, so 2.5 bath, I think we call it. Double doors out there to the conservatory, and this is the master. Beautiful comfy room, nicely sized. A double bank of floor to ceiling fitted wardrobes.